Hello everyone, I am Tarun valireddy. Welcome to my channel. Today we are at day 23 of 100 days of cloud by Code Cloud. In the day 23 task, we are going to create a S3 bucket and we need to copy the data from the old bucket to the newly created bucket, and we have to maintain the consistency between the old and the new created buckets. So, and this was done by this AWS CLI. So we are not going to connect to the AWS console for this task. So first let's try to create the bucket. Execute this command AWS s3 make bucket, and we need to provide the name of the bucket, and that was DevOps sync 4014070. Click on enter. Make bucket. Now let's try using S3 API. Create bucket hyphen bucket. We provide the name, and the name was DevOps sync bucket. Click on enter. The bucket was created. If you want, we can check whether the bucket was created or not. We can see the bucket was created at this time. So now let's try to migrate the data from the old bucket to the newly created bucket. So type s3 sync s3 colon slash slash new bucket s3 colon old bucket. Now click on enter. Migrated successfully. Again, if you want to verify whether it is completed or not, let's try to run the command once more. And in another way, s3 colon we can check the both s3 buckets word count was same. So recurse pipe. Now again check whether the word count of newly created bucket and the existing bucket is same or not. So execute this command AWS s3 ls s3 colon slash slash our new bucket hyphen hyphen recursive pipe word count hyphen less. It's showing 0. Again change the name of the bucket. Paste it. Again check it. There is a difference between the new bucket and the old bucket, so the sync was not properly done. Now we try to run the command once again. AWS s3 sync s3 slash slash new bucket paste, and the old bucket S3 colon. Actually we need to provide the old bucket first then new bucket, that's why it's not copied before. New bucket, enter. Now the data migration was in progress. We need to wait until the process was completed. Now the data migration was completed. Again check the word count, old bucket and the new bucket. This was the new bucket and the old bucket. Both word count are same. Let's try to check the task. We have successfully completed this task. If you really like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video.